Yeah, this is from the Morning Surf Scarf, which is a bit of a tongue twister by Jackie Erickson Schweitzer. And it is really fun. It goes very fast. So I've knitted 6 to start off the row, and I'm going to do 2 yarn overs, knit 1, 3 yarn overs, 1, 2, 3, knit 1, 4 yarn overs, and here is where it gets a little tricky, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4, knit 1, and then you stair step down, you do 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. And the neat thing about this pattern is that on the next row, you drop those stitches, which is what makes it go really fast and gives it that undulating effect. So really anything that helps to sort of block out, break up the color blocking is really useful for some, self-striping yarns. And it's really fun and easy to make self-striping yarns when you're knitting your own yarn, because you can just line up the fiber in the right way and just make it exactly what you want.
Do you just make sure that all the lengths are exactly the same?
You can. Something like this cowl here, it doesn't really matter because, the stripes can be of different widths. If you want a really rigorous self-striping, then yeah. In this case, they're pretty much the same. And in the really colorful example that I showed you before, this one over here, the fiber kind of does that work for you.
Okay, let's go ahead and show the dropping of the stitches.
Sure. So drop off 2. The only trick is making sure that you don't drop off your knits. And see, they just kind of come loose. It's really fun to just sort of drop off these, and you just want to make sure that you remember your knit stitches.
You get a lot of mileage out of it because it's those drops create a really high stitch.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then when you're done with the row, you just kind of give it a tug so that it lies nicely, and it's fun to kind of work these out. So there you go. That's the basic maneuver for this stitch pattern.
Really pretty.
Yeah.
Let's talk about